Hi everybody, today we'll do a video to update all on the how to set up the smart doorbell, the charm that we have received, and this is the 8GB TF card doorbell that we are actually showcasing here. Right, let's start. First we go into the apps, we add the plus icon, scan the QR codes. Alright, pick up the doorbell, give a long press and you will see the orange color lit up.
Device into Wi-Fi configuration mode. Please use app to configure Wi-Fi name and password.
Okay, then we see the screen, Wi-Fi setting. Go to settings and you will see iBell, hit the iBell. Alright, and yes, about tick. Go back to the apps, click next. Over here the screen, you will need to input your password for SSID. Alright, remember this is a 2.4G network. Right, so it will not be working on 5G. So user, please take note.
Wi-Fi configuration succeeds.
Alright, succeed. So a new device added. Alright, so how do we add the charms? Alright, this is a charms. It has a two button. One is for the choosing the music, and this is the volume. Okay, plug it in on the plug. Power. Alright. Okay, sounds good. Okay. Alright. How do we pair it? Pairing. First, press the music key, choose your favorite music. Alright, we've done that. Long press the music key 3 to 5 seconds. When the ding dong doorbell light is flashing. Basically, you can really see in the bright environment that it's really fresh. In the dark environment, very faint. Okay, then press the doorbell to pair. Alright, let's start the pairing. Okay, I press the music button. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Okay, so pair it. Press one press. Alright. Ooh, my app is also starting up. Okay, so we will see that the conversation is ended. You'll be prompt.
Conversation is over.
It's over. Alright, so we have completed the setup of this charms with the smart Wi-Fi doorbell and the apps. Alright, thanks guys.